Stella, what does a sheep say? What does a pig say? Stella, what does a pig say? What does a cow say? What does a horse say? Neigh. What does a dog say? What does a dog say? Stella? Yeah, woof. What does a cat say? Are you reading some books? It's your favorite game, huh? Books. Stella, what does a bee say? Bzzz. Oh, is that a lion or a bear? What do you see there? What does a lion do? What does a lion do? What does a pirate say? Arr. Does a pirate say arr? Okay, we'll let you read. You go ahead and read your books. You need help? Help? Bah. Is that a sheep? Look, it's a sheep. Help. Stella can do it. Stella, can you go give a kiss? Oh, just a kiss.